How to create affiliate marketing Facebook page step by step. So the first thing that we need to do is to create your Facebook page. Go ahead and log in into your Facebook account and then go to the upper right corner of the page to click on the menu icon. So the menu icon is this 9 dots grid, and here you will be able to see the page button. So simply click on that. Now to create a page, click on this button and you can then input information that you want your page to display. Now, one tip in order to promote your affiliate link is to focus on a specific niche. So let's say you want to promote gaming items. We can input that here, so we can say the best online gaming needs. Or for example, you want it to be fitness. You can also name it based on the best fitness needs. Proceeding to the description box, you can then type in a short introduction on the products that you will be selling. After that, you just need to choose a category. So in this case, just type in gaming for it to appear here. And just like that, you now have a dedicated Facebook page for a specific niche that you will be affiliating. The next step is to make it look professional. And to start, we have to create a display photo and a cover photo. One platform that is very easy to use, even if you're a beginner with little to no experience, is canva.com. In order to open an account here, you just need a Google account, Facebook, Apple account, or any one of these choices. And then once you're in Canva, this is how your Canva homepage will look like. You can use the templates here if you want an easier and faster way of making graphics for your Facebook page, DP, and cover. We can search and look for Facebook cover, and then these templates that you can edit and customize for your own cover will show. So if you like one among these templates, simply click on it and use it as a template. From here, you can then move, replace, and remove and add new elements that you might want to see in your cover. You can utilize this Elements tab to look for specific graphics, images, and GIFs that you want to display in your cover photo. So, for example, you want a computer graphic in your cover photo. Just type that in the Elements tab search bar, and then from these results, click on something that you like, and it will then appear on your screen or your canvas. Now, to remove elements, simply tap on the specific element on the canvas and then tap on the backspace on your keyboard to make it disappear, or you can also click on the trash bin. Next thing you can edit in your canvas is the text. Click on it again and you can type in the words that you want to display that will represent the niche or the products that you will be affiliating. Now, if you don't want to use templates, you can also start from scratch. Go back to the home page, click on Create a Design button in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you have to input the resolution of the cover photo. One good feature of Canva is that it has a lot of size data. So what we can do for faster input of the size is to search for Facebook cover, and it will then show a lot of results that will show us the sizes. So click on one and it will then deliver you to another tab for editing a blank canvas. Under the Design tab, you can also browse some templates here again. Beside is the styles where you can choose a vibe or keywords to look for color palettes and then some font combinations to make sure that your design will look good and professional as much as possible. Again, use the elements to look and tap for some graphics, images, and GIFs. So for gaming page, I'll be looking for computer and some gaming icons. Next tab is for the text. We can add in headings. So let's choose heading 1. So this is the biggest one. And then type in the best online gaming needs. Click on this drop down menu to look for fonts that will fit the layout of your cover. If you need help with the combination of your fonts, again, you can go to the first Design tab and then choose the combination fonts here. Now, you just have to do this. design both your cover photo and the display photo to finally set up your Facebook page. And to do that, we have to download the photos. So click on the share button on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on download, and then here under the drop down, you can choose the format of your file. I would recommend PNG or JPEG for your photo. After that, click on download and it will then be downloaded on your device. Now go back to the Facebook tab and set up your cover and display photo. Once you have that uploaded, we can now start posting links of affiliate. Since we don't have any likes or any followers yet, what we can do is to post on groups. So since this is a gaming page, I will search for gaming and gamer groups. Once you search for keywords connected to your affiliate product, you can then choose any groups actually, preferably those with high numbers of followers or high number of members so that a lot of audience will see your post. If a group is specifically closed, just hit on the joining group, and in some groups you might answer questions and then wait for your request to be accepted, and from there you can then post your links. So let's try to compose one post. Just add a caption that will get the attention of the members of the group. So for example, the cheapest and best quality product. Copy and paste the link of your affiliate product. So it can either be from Amazon, Shopify, or whatever affiliate platform you're using. You can also attach a photo or video. One tip, according to some study, photos and videos are the best marketing materials, so I suggest making extra time to create graphics in Canva, just like how we did on the cover of your page, is really helpful to attract more customers. Now, some things to take note of is to monitor the performance of your page using the Facebook Insights or other analytics tool. Analyze which content performs the best and adjust your strategy accordingly. You can repeat the way of your caption, the way of your graphic or video, the style, whatever works the best to generate the best sales. Also, comply with the Facebook policies. Familiarize yourself with Facebook advertising policies and guidelines to ensure compliance and avoid penalties, especially avoid being banned from posting. Creating an affiliate marketing Facebook page can be a lucrative way to promote products and earn commissions, so make sure to utilize this the best. So that is how to create affiliate marketing Facebook page. Just repeat that process on whatever niche or whatever product you want to sell. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.